Standing here is absolutely awe-inspiring. The views are just, you know, absolutely tremendous.
It has to be said that the Skye Bridge protest succeeded. Had they not made a protest, we would still be paying to cross that bridge at whatever inflated rate Millers was demanding from the public.
The idea that this was some kind of, you know, historic movement and it's just rubbish.
Get the split scat van 'n smoker or corrige goed in je we en nummers na indication we calder scat go corrige we proshel get the hissed source as get the happy shit no indication is sure.
It's about the tolls and the problems we were having. The toll regime stopped, you know, but that's base camp at Everest. There's the rest of the mountain to climb. We want the convictions quashed. We want the money back. Basically, we're asking the Secretary of State to correct everything.
It's case closed for me. I'm victimised in the sense that I got a criminal conviction. But it's over for me, because as far as I'm concerned, I treat that criminal conviction with contempt.
If I hadn't been a police officer, I would probably have been a member of SCAT. I would probably have been down there protesting along with the rest of them.
Every time I drive over that bridge, I say, wow, you know, we did this, we got the tolls taken off. Anyone, just as a whimsy, can go across the bridge. They don't need to pay anyone, and I think that was, for me, and for everyone, we won. I mean, what else? We won.